Once the competition is over, it's time to move on. The transport stage of the Predator has begun. The scout team from the X-Men led the way. This is the Plan B route. Even though full of obstacles, there is general optimism that everyone will be able to pull through for their rendezvous with the other press and support convoy in Lhasa. However, there is no discounting the awesome might of nature. Fallen trees and debris fill up the landslide, which must be cleared. Time for everyone to work as a team, if they are to go anywhere. No lack of enthusiasm here. Everyone has to sweat it out for the convoy to roll ahead. The work continues into dusk with no end in sight to obstacles. Meanwhile, other worries.
What insect?
Flying insect, big.
Oh.
Yes. Many insects.
Nobody will be now able to recognize him.
Look at me, look at me.
It's me, it's not my face anymore, but look at me.
2 days. Just for 2 days, 2 pills, 3 times a day. Okay. Swelling will come down. Okay? Should be okay, don't worry. It will subside. It's a normal reaction to a bee sting. It will swell up and start coming down. Okay. You don't feel giddy?
Sorry?
No, giddy.
Czy ci się w łbie nie kręci?
Nie, no.
No, nothing. So don't worry, it will be okay. Just by tomorrow.
Eventually we can cut the head off.
At the jaws of the Predator, with major obstacles still in the way and time against them, the major decision was to retreat. Backtracking is no piece of cake either, but it was the better option under the circumstances. And so, after 3 days, an honorable withdrawal was in full swing. Time to regroup and fight for another day. And so, after the trying times at the Predator, this rendezvous at Lhasa campsite is a heaven on earth. And also a time for repairs for this Italian team.
Francesco! Vieni qua.
It's time to catch up on sleep.
It's now.
And eat. And catch up on the latest news since the convoy was split into 3 groups for the past 3 days. It has been a battle to get out of the Predator, which puts the event behind schedule. But now it's catching up time for the more special stages and for the organizer to roll the event into place. Action time again with the Chang brothers from Sabah. They've done themselves proud with their flair for driving and recovery in the special stages and ability to think before they press on the accelerator. They've also shown excellent attitude towards everyone, always smiling and raring to go at any time. They hold true to the dictum that a good off-roader is a thinking person who takes care of himself, his vehicle, those around him, does not damage his vehicle and the environment.
Excuse me, you're from where?
Paraguay, Argentina.
Argentina.
2 countries in 1 vehicle.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
As for the South Americans, they've come a long way from the other side of the world. They've earned their entry passport to Malaysia by winning the Argentinian RainForest Challenge selection. Even though lacking experience, they've displayed a team spirit that is second to none throughout the event days. Another South American entry. This one won the Rainforest Challenge selection in Chile. All 3 entries from Latin America were delayed in transit and stuck at the customs. They were released from the port on the eve of the event and just made it for the opening ceremony. However, luck was not on their side. They also had to suffer mechanical problems in the heat of the competition.
La cruceta, sí. Ah, ya. No, pero igual la lata, pues. Sí. Bueno, estamos al lado, no falta nada.
However, as they say in Spanish, no hay problema. They will continue. Under the heat of the event and creatures of the jungle, the officials of the event have maintained their good humor all the time.